I have a question that's connected with this question too, so I'll just add it now. Was there a moment where you just felt like when you realized that you wanted to take a different direction and do something more meaningful? And what was that? If you can highlight on that a little bit more.
Yeah, like I came from the background where everybody has the mindset that have a good education, have a good job, and just live happily with a stable life. And that is what I also did in the past. And when I was looking for the opportunity, the same kind of opportunity, I was looking, okay, let's go search some jobs and start career again. But I knew that the long time I stayed home, I have to learn a lot of things because I was way behind from the people who are doing work every day, learning new skills. So when we decided to purchase home for ourselves here in the USA, that was a high time for me. No, now I have to do something because it's difficult to survive on a single income, and that too, if we are having family back in India, we have to support them as well. So my husband is earning good. He is taking care of all our needs and wants, but still I can see the pressure on him that he is the only one who is taking care of all the things. And besides that, I knew that I had a good qualification. I studied well, but still I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting at home. So that point when we decided to buy a home, that was the high point for me to start something. But again, as you said, I wanted to do something meaningful. Job I did already, my husband already is doing job, and I see the pressure always, every day the pressure is there that you have to keep running, keep updating yourself to stay and to run in the crowd, you can say, to win the race. That is how job market is nowadays. And I don't wanted to go in that field because I knew if I started the job, I will start a job, it will be difficult to take care of the kids and the pressure of the job, and that too, it's from the scratch I'm starting. So I know that it's not be like very good salary I'm going to get. So it's like I'm doing job for nothing, for getting the stress, for getting the anxiety for myself and for the kids. So I didn't wanted that. That is why I explored other options. And again, I will say here, the mentorship program, when I get to know about this platform, that encouraged me to take the step to start this, because somewhere in my mind I had that, okay, today I am getting support from other women's, other people. In the future, the same thing I also want to do. I want to support other women just like me, who are just stuck like similar kind of situation like me. So that is how I decided, okay, I will learn, I will grow my business, and then in future I will also support other women. So that's why I like this platform and started this.